If you look at a gas turbine, most of the people, what they see is the big fan blade at the entrance. But if you open up the engine, it's tons of those blades, starting from the big one to like smaller one, all the compressor section. Today, the engineering are able to optimize the design of the engine to increase the performance of the engine, but to a point where the manufacturing folks have big issue meeting those tolerance, meeting those designs.
Profiling is making this edge here, if we do a cut, it should look like a perfect parabolic shape. Just by profiling the part, they can achieve a 1.3% better efficiency in the aircraft.
They need company like us to help them by providing them robotic solution that can finish the part to the tight tolerance that the designer required. We're allowing those guys to meet the performance that they promise to their customer.
To achieve the surface finish that is needed by the customer. We've developed a custom belt sander with all types of abrasives on it. So this is one of our products, and where SolidWorks came into play is to allow us to easily simulate all the different belts, because we're putting 3 belts on it, so we have like a rough, a medium, and a finishing belt. We're able to do like dynamic sketches and test everything out in SolidWorks before building anything. There's a lot of teamwork in designing robotic systems, so we develop everything on SolidWorks. So we do a design iteration, we send that to our robotic engineer, then you need to move this geometry or modify this part, and very quickly in SolidWorks we can do the modification and send the CADs back.
In that way, SolidWorks really like a complete solution for the designer. It's really easy to go in different direction, adapt your design, have the use of external references to manipulate your equipments that you have in the CAD.
I think that over the years we're putting so much more information in the 3D CAD, so we're saving a lot of time in the assembly, because assembly team uses SolidWorks as well. So they've got laptops, they've got the 3D CAD with them. Most of the time they have all the information they need, and it makes the whole process very easy and efficient to do.
Time to market is very important in our industry. When we do a good design, when we do an efficient design, it helps on the efficiency, it helps on the robustness of the product, and most of the time also differentiate ourselves from our competitors. I'm not an engineer, so I'm not the ones using SolidWorks, but I can see I benefit right away. When people are using SolidWorks as a design platform, I can see the flexibility, I can see the speed they're gaining. It's making my job way easier, because when I'm getting in front of customers, what I can show the customers sell by itself.